And it just gets to you like that.
Yes.
Escape. No, wrong one. Okay. Fuck the grandma. Okay. -2 over 3 x minus 4. Answer. There. Here's your.
Now that look way different from what you had in straight line, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's some type of slant going.
So you can start the -4 thing for the minor set. So -4 is down.
It don't look like that.
No,
That's
it's
whatever.
like -4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's
I
this
go
way.
upright.
Yeah. When it's negative, it's going to go down.
Is that right?
Yeah. So you just like that. You can just do the line. Yeah. So now you're done with that line. You want to grab the x, right?
I'm gonna grab the inverse of it
Yeah,
to do
you
comparison.
So you can grab that x plus 6. And it should cross.
Inverse function video, I talked about how function and their inverse. They are the reflection over the line y equals x. So where's the line y equals x? The line y equals x looks like this. Line y equals x looks like this. And negative x plus 4 is actually perpendicular to y equal to x. So when you reflect it, you're just kind of flipping it over, but it's going to be the same line. It is its own reflection. And let's make sure that that actually makes sense. When we're dealing with, I guess, the standard function right there. If you input a 2, it gets mapped to a 2. If you input a 4, it gets mapped to 0. What happens if you go the other way? If you input a 2, well, 2 gets mapped to 2 either way, so that makes sense. For the regular function, 4 gets mapped to 0.
I know he's
For
talking
the
about
inverse function, 0 gets mapped to 4. So it actually makes complete sense. Let's think about it another way. For the regular function,
Oh my god.
this might be obvious to you, but just in case it's not.
There's an app on the computer. It's called
Let's take f of
Deadlifts.
5.
It works.
F of 5 is equal to -1. Or we could say the function f maps us from 5 to -1. Now what does f inverse do? What's f inverse? F inverse of -1.
Oh wait, let me do a tab so we can see the comparison.
5.
I can't believe I don't use y'all calculators like that.
Yeah.
Is it -2 or is the whole fraction negative? There.
Oh, we're graphing the bottom one now. Right at the top.
What?
We're graphing this.
I know, I'm doing a comparison because she exited out the other one.
5 to -1. That's what the function f does. You can see that f inverse
They
is
intersect.
from -1 to 5.
Yep.
What's
Yes,
that?
some right.
That's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That means we checked out.
Oh, that's good. So that's basically all I had to do.
Yeah, that's it.
Then what's all this word? She did.
So basically, she's basically letting you look at the function so you can see,
Okay.
like, are they the same? Do they inverse? And checking to see if it's a legit function or if any of the x's are repeating.
Oh.
So yeah, if you were to graph it, then you would use those bulletin points and stuff like that. But we graphed it, and if you want to look at it, like if you did have a calculator, you press Control, then you press where T at. Okay, so you did it upside down. Yeah. All right, there you go. Control T, and you could just look at yours. They're side by side, and you can pick like your variables, your coordinates, which one, and then just do a T-chart.
Oh,
And they give you all you need. And it's a visual right there in front of you. It's a win-win.
I'm still using calculator.
Yeah, forget Desmos.
Yes, forget it. If you haven't listened to put in on still.
Unless your teacher tells you that's a necessary source. But I never understood Desmos like that. Like I understood it, but I didn't know why shit because I have my calculator. Handy dandy calculator. Okay. Katrina, let me touch base with you. Where you at? Confused? What? What's up?
Don't forget to answer your daily question.
What's alpha? What you mean alpha? You didn't even graph it. I said,
We got it on the calculator.
She said alpha. What you mean alpha?
Oh, that's right. Our junior high social. Okay, you can
So you get what we did, or do you need me to break anything down? You sure? You lying to me? So how do we get the x plus 6? How do we get the x plus 6?
It's like this.
You flipped it? Then you flip the Y plus 6 equals X?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. You sure? All right. I'm just trying to make sure. Mm-hmm.
No, I'm moving that.
Get out the way.
Nope. Not as good as yours.
Y'all are so mean to each other. Why?
I'm actually nice.
Yep.
Katrina.
Get out the way.
Hold up.
You don't need 6 steps.
If I do. If that's the problem you didn't graph, what? Bring that from here.
You was the only person that went today. You was the only person that went today. But that's okay. We had a meaningful discussion. What you doing? Your 15-second speech. Do you know how to do it?
You said the question, this,
Oh, your aha and this now. Oh, your
and then aha.
Right.
Right. My question is, how do you graph the inverse function? The first step was wrote the equation. Second, converted negative 2/3 to 0.6767. Moved the 4, divided to 0.67. Then got f of -1x equals x plus 6. Then graphed in calculator. My aha was when I realized that calculators are very helpful
Our calculator's helpful.
to graph
To graph what?
We do not use calculators. That's what
equations or functions.
I
we
was.
would use like the simple ones.
Like wipes and supposed to be and stuff.
Boy,
I'm
I,
talking about like straight to the ones that she like.
like the solar power one.
Yeah, Mr. Ricker wouldn't let us use the.
I had a teacher who didn't let us use calculators. They didn't work out very well. It didn't, because the function she would ask us for was literally set in calculators and we wouldn't know those numbers. Like pi, 3.14, right? You'd be like, oh, okay. She'd be like, all right, no, use the legit pi numbers.
3.14.
Blah, 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 something else. But if you were off, it'd make your answer wrong. So that was not very fun. But, yeah, we still have additional more time. So what did you take away from this today?
Calculators.
No, what did you take away regarding your problem? Not calculators. Actually, since you're done, do me a favor. Can you get closer to the steps with the computer and a little closer to Alha? So
Y'all still
They can see
think that I'm working the question?
yes, you're still gonna explain.
Y'all curious. No, what about calculators? I'm talking about regarding the problem. Dang, you sure I can see that?
It's backwards. Did someone just get back on? Or...
My rules.
I just need the harmony. Hold this. Harmony.
Like, I can't even read it.
You can.
Are you recording this? What if I accidentally drop this?
I guess you'll actually pay for it.
No, they be charging too much. Hold on, can you go back to the steps, please? She said, what?
Go back to the steps. So you went from not knowing how to do this problem to understanding how to do it. How? Like, what did you take away from that?
Converting
Converting what?
fractions. Well, I already knew that. I already knew how to do that, but I didn't know how to do it in this problem. I know that you had to do it.
So converting the fraction helps you get back to your understanding of what you knew.
Mhm.
Because I mean, you pretty much seem to know how to do it after that point. I'm just trying to see what your brain is. I'm trying to bother your brain is.
If you just forget, like, look at the back of the video. You have everything.
Also, I'm done with that.
She ain't saying no more. Who on the phone with you? I'm saying,
You guys can do your flexion. We have like less than a minute.
hey now. Hey,
She said hello. She said hey.
okay.
I'm not gonna throw that.
No, we good.
How many questions have to graph in the function around the thing off the x and the x and here the combination was super. I don't remember if we did that calculator over.
Thank you. Hey, do you guys still need any of the steps or AHA?
No, we good.
All right. Whenever y'all ready to show me your stuff, you can.
When I'm at home, I do not like doing TV.
I can imagine that'd be more difficult. I don't care. When you guys are done, just bring me your TRF since y'all read it, or read it and then bring it to me. Bathroom's on the one who read it. Where's your Chromebook? It's hers.
Bell is gonna ring about 9 minutes. Make sure your running log is updated and current. Ready to turn in, make sure you turn it in. All right.
Let's start. Do you want to be a teacher?
Why?
What was I saying?
Yeah.
A music teacher?
No. Why do you ask me a music teacher?
I don't know. I think music teachers are fun. You're fun like that.
Thank you. I spent a lot of time with a music teacher. I was in band for like 7 years.
That's a lot of years.
Yeah, I started really early. So nobody could tell me nothing when I got to the high school. I knew my instrument.
Did you get like offers?
So what?
Offers like scholarships?
I got scholarships for it, but I didn't want to do it. Plus, with everything going on, I don't even see how that would work. So I took it, but at the same time, I was like, this is not for me. Y'all want me to play these scales back to back. I'm not built like that. God bless you.
Thank you. What kind of teacher you want to be?
What kind of teacher you think I would be, other than a music teacher? What was I always talking about to y'all last year?
Science or social studies.
I would be that type of teacher. I could be any type of teacher except for my teacher. Like, I can be that teacher, but my class, we're going to take some time to deprogress. Because I like to make sure we're fully understanding. I know you got to move fast in math because you get behind real quick.
Science is fun. Like biology science or like middle school science.
I'm good at all sciences.
Middle school science is fun. Oh, or you can do biology. But I do biology fun. Like frogs. Kill frogs.
I don't like frogs.
Well,
Here's my notes and steps.
Give me 1 second. I don't see that. Oh. You bring it up a little closer so I can see the reflection. I can see it. I just want to read it a little bit. Oh, you good? I can see it from there. Okay, Maya, you're good to go. Hope you have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. So do you have any questions over anything we went over today? I think I good. So what do you like about Desmos? Isn't that what you say y'all use for your calculator? What do you not like about it?
Did you have to like go in and type the answers? Not the answers, like the coordinates.
Mm-hmm.
You have to go and type the coordinates and find it.
So if you have to use the calculator or Desmos for your graphing functions, which one would you use?
I forgot how to use it.
The calculator?
That's how you use it.
I haven't used the calculator in almost 5 or 4 years. Except for like a few times I come here, but like back to back. Mm-mm.
Not to do this homework assignment. I'm trying to- I'm not feeling it. I guess what we got to do today.
What you got to do?
Run with track.
Oh, y'all gonna have so much fun. And it's supposed to be like 70 something today. Y'all gonna have a nice breeze.